Hello, guys, and welcome to another week. I'm going to talk about gold. I'm going to talk about the previous trade we took, and I'm going to talk about what we should be expecting. I hope you guys had a very good weekend, and I welcome you back. I promise we're going to have an amazing week this week. So yeah, we're on the daily time frame, and we're looking at the gold, and obviously you can see that gold have been making new highs and has been breaking structure and then just keep on going. So I'm going to talk about the previous trade we took on gold. So so this was the trade we took on gold the other day. So this was the daily. So I'm going to shift my focus on this area. So guys, this is where my focus is. So if you move to the 4 hour time frame, you can easily see how the price range there, price created a structure here and then broke the structure. So I waited for the price to move into here before getting a bullish entry. But while I was waiting, there was an opportunity that came for a sell here, so I took a short sell. So if you know, or if you traded last week, you know that we had the FOMC last week. So I took a short sell from here and my take profit was here. So let me just illustrate the trade. So we were trading something like this, all right? But I wasn't able to take all the profit. As you can see, the price couldn't get to my potential target, which I was actually expecting the price to get here, and then I will be buying. Like I was waiting for the price to come here to gain liquidity. So I was waiting for the price to get to 25, 22 before actually buying. But the price didn't get here, and the price quickly got liquidity from the FOMC news. So I only made about 30, 20, 29 to 30 pips around here. And once we got there, and the price kind of just came back here and broke structure. So after that, I just kind of closed the position and I was waiting for the new projection. So now talking about the new week, and let's go back to the daily time frame, and you can see how the daily time frame from here we can see that the price broke structure here and created a new order block. So in the 1 hour time frame, which is where I'm going to be placing any trade if I want to, we'll be looking where the price broke the structure and how the price has been moving since. So you can see that we have a bullish trend here, and the price broke structure here at 2590. So from here, I'm going to identify if the price could come back here, and if I should refine the order, we could have something like this. But if the price should come back here and we test here, we could be going for a new long entry, because for with my analysis, I think the price is still bullish. I think gold is still bullish, and I think it's still going to continue bullish. But for now, I'm expecting the price to make a pullback. So by the market opening, I think the price should make a pullback down to this area, and then we can expect the price to make another bullish move. So my point of interest will be from 2,592, yeah, around this area. And let me just put it up. Okay, so this is my point. Okay, let me just type it in. So this would be my PO high, and yeah, so I'll be waiting for the price to get here, and then I'll be making my new action. So if you, for now, I would say you should stick to the 4 hour time frame, and we should wait for the pullback to happen, and then we can continue bullish. Any fundamental news will be updated, and you guys will be able to see it in the channel. I will see you guys on the next pair. This is for gold. Obviously, I'll be talking about more pairs, and I'll be sending everything to you guys. I'll see you in the next one. So guys, this is DAX on the next pair. So I'll be putting my focus on this area here. All right, so I'm going to put my focus on this area. We're on the daily time frame, and as you can see on the daily time frame here, we can see the price created a structure here. I was actually waiting for this move, but it happened really fast, and I didn't get the entry I was waiting for. But this is the main thing, is that we need, this is a new high, right? So the price has created a new high here, and the price has also created a new low in the daily time frame. So that is why I said my focus will be within this area. So moving to the let's go to the 2 or 1 hour time frame. To the 1 hour time frame, you can see the price action that happened right here when the price was trying to break this barrier, but you can see that the price got rejected. And also you can see that the bullish move that started from the low here, from here, right? So on the other hand, we could be expecting the bullish from here, a bullish move from here, but you can see this trend got broken, which makes it more convincing that the bears are involved in this, and then we should be expecting bullish bearish continuation. So looking from here, from the 1 hour time frame, you can obviously see that there is some sort of market structure around this area. And one thing I do tell people is always respect the market structure, always respect every change of character, always respect every fair value gap, and always respect them. And now we see that the price is here. For me, I feel the price when the market opens, and I feel we should wait for the pullback. So patiently, let's wait for a pullback here, and we could possibly break, because there's an order block here, of course, and then there's another one here. So definitely I'll be waiting for the price to make a retracement, of course, to gain liquidity from here, and we can expect a another bearish move. And my projection goes this way for DAX. As you can see, this is DAX, so I'll be looking for an entry here. This is okay, this is a bullish entry. Okay, so my stops would be just a little above here, and my potential targets will be here, while my first take profits will be around this area, here. But the thing is, I'll be waiting for the price to actually get here, and then wait for the confirmation before I go for a sell entry. And when the other scenario is, if we can see, so let's say something like this, let's say the price broke through this barrier here, this order block we have here. So let's say the price created a break of structure here. I'm still going to expect the price to retrace back here before I will go for an entry, because I like to be more conservative, and then not just going without calculating the risk, or let me say going for impulse entry. I would love to take a conservative entry and wait for the price to make a retracement before pulling for the sell. So looking from the 4 hour time frame table, this is my projection for the DAX. I'm expecting a sell, and expecting to sell right here when the price makes a pullback, when the market opens. So that's it about DAX, and I'll see you guys on the next pair. So moving on, guys, we have the Nasdaq here, and um excuse. So we have the Nasdaq here, and you can see the structure here. So you can see that the price created a resistance here, and the price hasn't broken through until here, where we have the strong high, which is a new high here. All right, I'm going to indicate that now. Okay, so last week I was expecting the price to make a bearish move here. I was expecting the price action to take place around this area, and then we can see some bearish move here. But as you can see, we didn't see that. I just kind of wait. But for now, I see that the price broke the structure a little bit and is trying to come down here. So we are kind of in a very tight situation with Nasdaq here, because Nasdaq might be gaining more momentum in the market opening, and with that, if price is getting more momentum and price is able to break this structure here. So let's say we have a scenario where the price broke the high here and created a new high around this area, we might be looking into bullish moves and then continue buying from here, and then we can be looking for more bulls and more bullish entry. But if the price, when the market opens, if the price can still reject, your kind wasn't able to break this high, and we can see the price comes here. Let me give a quick illustration. So we have a rejection here, right? And if we see the price testing here again, and we see signs of bearish again, so we can actually sell from here back down here, which would be my projection. Okay, so I'm expecting the price to get here, and in the scenario in which this high is not broken to the upside, we can quickly get a bearish entry. Sorry, a bearish entry around this area with a very good stop loss, which is going to give us a very good risk to reward ratio, and I think a very decent profit. So this is what I look forward in Nasdaq. But in the other scenario, in case where we see the price actually breaking this high, and then that will change the whole bias totally, and then we can actually be looking for a bullish entry. But before I close this, let me go into the lower time frame so you can see it very well. So here we have we can have like a structure here, and this is the low we have here, and then so we have this here. So now, although the price is quite choppy down and then the market is still closed, I feel if the price could, I put the price created structure here as well, so with 30-minute time frame. So if we see the price breaks this 30-minute break of structure, this structure here, and we have a break of structure here, we have the price testing this OB here, we can expect retest and then boom, sell down here. All right, and at the same time, if the price couldn't break through this 30-minute structure, market structure here, and the price shows a very good reaction within this price around 19,837, we can actually go for a sell here as well. So within this area, so my point of interest, my PO here with this pair is around here and here, around here and here. So that is my 2 points of interest, and I'll be expecting the price to make some encouraging movements when the market opens. So guys, this is it about Nasdaq, and I'll see you on the next one.